Good afternoon, all of you dear students. Now this is your economics class, and the last topic is left in the first chapter, the limitation of statistics. From the beginning, we have completed types of the statistics, meaning also, economics also, objective also, importance also, and the last point is here the limitation of statistics. Let's see. Stat does not study individual. Aggregate of fact we know very well the features. Whenever they do this limitation, just in front of you keep importance of features. Okay, does not study individual. This is a limitation of statistics. Never study of a individual fact. Always aggregate of a fact. Result might lead to false conclusion. Sometimes it may be wrong because that result we have taken on the basis of estimation, not accurate, so it might false. Stat deal with quantitative fact. We know very well it's a only quantitative fact, not are qualitative facts. The one person is how much is honest and dishonest doesn't matter, but quantitative fact we always study. Laws are true on average basis. Is it clear? Not accurate, it's on average basis. The statistics can be used by only expert person. Simple person, a layman person cannot be used. Statistics rule and regulation and methods. Uniformity and homogeneity data essential. It is a compulsory if you want to compare the population of one country. The same time we have need the population of another country. We want to compare that how people are educated. So the data should be homogeneous nature, not a uniformity nature. Misuse of statistics. It may be that misuse can be done by the person. Its study of aggregate fact only. In the first part both are same. Does not study individual or its study of only aggregate only. Without reference result may be proved. It may be that wrong and right. Result may be it might be miscommunication or it may be false conclusion because the result is depend on a average basis. So after the limitation, let's see the 1 mark question answer of this chapter, the last on Monday test of this chapter. Take care. Fill in the blanks with the given. Statistics is a science, art, language or maths, which is here science. Statistics is a fact. Aggregate, isolation, average or multi. I think aggregate. The word statistics is derived from the Greek word. Which word? Taken Latin word. From which word? Latin word. Latin word mean status. Statistics studies information, only quantitative information. We say only the quantitative information. The word statistics means generally collection of a data. It's a collection of a data. So again see that question. These are the question statistics, science, aggregate, Latin word, implies information quantitative. After that, the statistics is state whether the following statements are true and false. The true and false. Statistics is science. I think is a true. Technique and method of collection, classification. So this is all come in the science. It is affected by multiple causes. We have done very well. It is affected by multiplicity of causes and effect. Statistics laws are not mathematical correct. Yes, it's again that is a this is a true. Affected by statement is false. Laws are mathematical correct. Laws are not mathematical correct. This is a false. They can be verified. Mathematical, yes, it's a mathematical or they can be verified. The last is statistical is a numerical. Obviously, numerical expression, not say emotional and feelings. True. Cannot be used in research. I think it's a false. It can be used input while the conducting various research. it can be used in the significant input while conducting various research. Next question, define explain concept of statistics. You can define, already is given. Give region, these are the region based question. Scope of the statistics we have not completed, so this is not come in our syllabus. Features of the statistics, already we have completed the features also. Aggregate, collected, systematic, numerical, affected by. State importance of the statistics in economics, yesterday we have completed. Formulation of policies, economic. Okay, this chapter already, this topic already we have completed, so I'm not focused too much time on this question. With the help of various economic problem can be solved. With reason whether I agree or disagree. No. Mean by static feature of the statistics also completed. So yes friends, it was the topic today. Something was the question answer, and the one major point was the limitation. Again that I want to share with you limitation. The first limitation, it does not study individual. The result might be false. Result might be, it might be false हो सकता है. Then second is deal with only quantitative, not qualitative. Laws are true and only on the basis of average basis. Only expert person can be utilized this type of statistics. A normal person cannot use the formula and the method in statistics. Uniformity and homogeneous data should be uniformity. Just you know that we want to compare the rural area with urban areas in human being or goods. Like is we want to compare how many people that educated in the rural area in compared to urban area. So in that situation we have need the data of the educated people, mean that people of the city and people of the rural areas. Then we compare both person, their degree, their qualification, their occupation, all things. Data can be misused 100%. We know very well. It's a greatest limitation because misuse statistics is a possible, that is a possible. Misuse can be done. They depend on the average. You know the average, mean, median, mode, correlation we will be calculated. After that the first and second in ninth chapter, with help of the data we can calculate average. The average may be that misused by the any person in the both way, positive way or a negative way. Study of aggregate, already we have completed. Or without reference result may be proved. Without reference, without exact reference result may be proved to be wrong. Only just a bare, only just a basis of the average. If you will clear the average, that this percentage, that like when we say that the percentage of the COVID is increases, but without reference we don't know in which that age factor COVID is going to increase, in which area is going to increase. Without reference result may be wrong. So without reference if we say something, then it would be 100% wrong. Fill in the blanks. These are the 1 mark question of NCERT. You can check in your book. This is given: science, aggregate, Latin, quantitative, data. The statement this is true, and the false. Numerical expansion. This is only true, and statistics cannot be used in research. This is a false. Either statistics we can be used in the input with a conducting various research. Researcher carry out investigation for study relationship between the different variable. Relation between price and demand. This is also relationship. Price and demand. Poverty and health. Analyzed with the help of the statistical tool. These are the question is given according to NCERT. That the concept of a statistics you can do. Importance, features, all you can do. I think completed. Today was the main topic. The last was the limitation of a statistics. So now dear students, revise this chapter in the well manner from the beginning to the end. 1 mark question also, 3 marks also, 4 marks also. On Monday that I will on Monday. Okay, no, tomorrow I will be again the revision of it, this chapter from the starting to the last, and something we will do extra on Monday. The test of this chapter will be held. Take care, dear friends, and please prepare and be ready for test and complete your notebook also, or you can send your notebook through your parents for the checking. Thank you, dear friends.